In case everything is well, all is well. Everything is okay, fine. But in case anything is happened around us, we don't know what will happen. It will happen sudden things. A terrible thing will happen us. Really, it's a bad around us. In case we have to do much more better, or we have to struggle like Tipu Sultan, Bhagat Singh, Ajay Chandrasekhar, Subhash Chandra Ajay Chandrasekhar, and so many struggle people are there, like freedom fighters. They are achievers. Really, these things are happened in the past history. History make repeated again and again. Whenever that thing happened in making the struggle much more better is the so many freedom fighters are fight for us. Today we are staying in here. It means they are fight for us. They are make us freedom. It means we are not the same peoples where we are work just where somebody make us some rules. No need, because our freedom is including everything. They are making so many articles like for Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. They are ideal. Those people are ideal. Where one who came for us, and like see Gandhiji, he is the peace of we given peaceful freedom. In August 15th, we got a free independent. Independent means independent only. Not we are not dependent. Independent. Dependent and independent. But today going to dependent means we are not going to independent. In everywhere we need independent. Let's raise our hands. Example, our freedom fighter. He is not freedom fighter, but he is make us freedom. Like Sri Swami Vivekananda, sir. Yes, Sri Swami Vivekananda, one who known as peaceful man in America. Once upon a time, he went and we visited, and he get a call from American International Sarvadharan Sammelan, got invited, and he took that opportunity, and he gave good decisions, and about he informed so many kind of information to the world, introduced about India to the world. What it means that our Bhagavad Gita is one of the epic that ideal for everyone. It gives a valuable information to us. Really, where is the base to that book? That give. If we took that book, then all other books will fall. It means our Bhagavad Gita is ideal in every country and everyone. Hinduism, your peoples of Hindu means not only other community. In every community, they have their own ideals. Yes, those peoples were they given thus the freedom and humanity, kindness, all those things in past thing what happened. But today that were all will be destroying one by one in the way of other formalities like in the pastest history, those peoples are ideal. Where Subhash Chandra Bose, one who the freedom fighter, he constructed a forward block army, and he went for so many other countries and researched there. Germany, like is one of the great freedom fighter. I thought our Gandhiji, he sacrificed his own life to the country with peaceful. He brought peaceful freedom to the country. Bhagat Singh is also ideal for us. He is also one kind of freedom fighter. Yes, one somebody is sacrificing, so many people are sacrificed for us. We have to recognize them. And Jhansi Lakshmi Bai and so many freedom fighters, they are struggled and fight for the country. Yes, we have to fight each and everyone. We have the responsibility on in our country. Why? Because of we are the peoples living in our country. We have to struggle for the country, and we have to give our life to our country. We have to make the decisions and everything, reach and everything for the country. Jai Hind.